Today, I'll show how to buy shares of Volkswagen AG, a leading global car maker. Volkswagen trades on Xetra under the ticker VOW3.DE, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy stock, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VOW3.DE to find the Volkswagen listing. Select the matching Xetra result to open the company's page and confirm you have the correct asset. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart for recent activity. Confirm the page shows Volkswagen AG on Xetra with ticker VOW3.DE, so you are on the right listing. To invest, tap, trade, or buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending market order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Your Volkswagen position will appear in your portfolio after the trade, and if you want to follow these steps, the eToro link is in the description below.